Hey my friend, welcome to Unity Epinephrine, and today we are diving into the world of Visual Studio Code. VS Code is light, fast, and it's like the chameleon of code editors, so you can use it for a wide range of programming language. It's your customizable coding canvas, hence we can use it for C# and Unity. So let's get started. Our first step is to download and install Visual Studio Code. Head over to the official website at code.visualstudio.com and there you will find the download button. Click it, and after you download it, run installation. Click on next. In this part, I would like to create desktop shortcut and check these two options. These options enable us to open programming files or folder within VS Code by right-click on them. Install VS Code, and VS Code is here. Warnings here. Now let's equip ourselves with the .NET SDK. This toolkit is essential for C# development. Visit .NET.microsoft.com/download, grab the SDK version compatible with your system, and follow the installation steps. After you install .NET SDK and with Visual Studio Code installed, open it up. In the extensions view, you can find it on the sidebar. Search for Unity extension and hit install. This extension enhances our Unity development experience in VS Code. Then search for Unity snippets written by Clever Silva. If you don't know what the snippets are, think of them as your magical coding shortcuts. They are snippets of code that make your development faster and more efficient. Also install C# snippets to make your development process even more easier. Next up, let's add some color to our code with the Indent Rainbow extension. It's like a rainbow, but for your indentation. It makes your code environment happier. Search for Indent Rainbow and you guessed it, hit install. And now let's make our workspace visually appealing with the material icon theme. This extension brings a touch of style to your file icons. When you install material icon theme, your icons become from this to this. Search for material icon theme and click install. Your file explorer is about to get a facelift. After you install it, click on set file icon theme and up here, hit this option. Now let's supercharge our code with the Code GPT extension. Look for it in the extensions view, install it, and get ready for some AI powered assistance right here in VS Code. It's like having a code buddy at your fingertips. You can select part of your code and ask Code GPT to explain, refactor, find problem, or unit test. Also, you can send your message right here. Furthermore, you can choose provider like OpenAI and your model like GPT-4.
Oh my god! Wow!
The final step. Let's make VS Code our default editor in Unity. Open Unity, go to Edit, Preference, and under External Tools, choose Visual Studio Code from the drop-down menu. If you don't see it in this menu, simply just browse and choose VS Code. Also open Package Manager, find Visual Studio Editor and Visual Studio Code Editor, and update both of them. Unity and VS Code, a match made in developer heaven. Also, if you want to know how to change animation speed, check this video out.